I like Bitcoin because, well, we have an enemy in common. It's called the federal government, the Treasury, the Fed, and Wall Street. I don't trust them. If you trust them, save dollars and get yourself a nice bond. I don't trust those guys.
Best-selling author Robert Kiyosaki believes that the dollar is heading for disaster and only 3 assets are going to save you: gold, silver, and Bitcoin. If you haven't heard of Robert Kiyosaki, you may know him from his book Rich Dad Poor Dad, which has sold over 40 million copies worldwide. In his most recent interview with Stansberry Research, Kiyosaki revealed the one thing that's keeping the majority of people poor. That one thing, trying to save yourself rich by saving fake money. You see, Kiyosaki has never been a fan of the US dollar. He argues that ever since 1964, the United States has been screwing the world by pumping out fake money. This isn't coming from just anybody either. Kiyosaki loves America and has fought for the country twice as a Marine. Why is the US dollar fake money? Because the US government and central banks can just print it out of thin air. It's not backed by anything tangible. Kiyosaki's solution? Buy the realest money possible. His choice? Gold, silver, and Bitcoin. Just this week, Kiyosaki revealed that he owns 60 Bitcoin worth $1.75 million, which he bought when Bitcoin was just $6,000 per coin. Make sure to stick around to the end of the video as Kiyosaki explains why now, with the BRICS currency on the scene to compete with the US dollar, there is one way you can opt out of the system: Bitcoin. Here's Robert Kiyosaki with his outlook.
What happened is just recently, 2 months ago, I think Biden or the Treasury took the debt ceiling cap off so they could print more money. As soon as they could do that, stock market took off. This is unsustainable. I mean, this is, like it's compounding debt now. It's accelerating debt. And that's why, as you know, Danielle, I'm a big gold and silver guy. I'm a hard asset person and hard oil. I don't buy much paper. I own gold companies and all, stuff like this.